A tropical depression that is approaching the coast of Nicaragua could strengthen into a tropical storm and perhaps become Hurricane Nate as it brushes past the western portion of Florida's Panhandle and the northern Gulf Coast late this weekend. Early Thursday, the depression was about 50 miles from Puerto Cabezas, Nicaragua, with maximum sustained winds of 35 miles per hour, according to the National Hurricane Center. During the overnight hours, the forecast track of the storm system shifted a little toward the west. While the long-term path of the storm is still uncertain, it is expected to strengthen. Strengthening is likely over the northwestern Caribbean Sea Thursday night and Friday, forecaster Daniel Brown wrote in Thursday morning's advisory. On Wednesday, the cone's eastern edge was just north of the Tampa Bay area, but by the afternoon the cone had shifted west, putting the potential area of U.S. landfall between Florida's Big Bend and coastal Mississippi and Louisiana. The northern Gulf Coast could see direct impacts from wind, storm surge and heavy rainfall, said Dennis Feltgen, spokesman for the Miami-based National Hurricane Center. However, it is too early to specify the timing or magnitude of these impacts. The storm isn't expected to veer toward southeast Florida or farther south on the Gulf Coast, such as Naples, Feltgen said. Carl Erickson, a senior meteorologist at the Pennsylvania-based forecasting company AccuWeather, also said it was looking increasingly unlikely that the storm's track would shift east and head toward South Florida. Erickson said it looks like Nate would be a Category 1 hurricane, which would make it a still dangerous but least intense type of hurricane, with wind speeds of between 74 and 95 miles per hour. That's probably the most likely right now, Erickson said. A lot will be determined over the next 24 to 36 hours. The storm, known as Tropical Depression 16, formed in the southwestern Caribbean Sea. The storm was projected to speed up Thursday through late Friday and move over eastern Nicaragua and Honduras on Thursday before re-emerging in the Caribbean Sea by Friday. Its center would approach Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula late Friday before arriving into the Gulf of Mexico by early Saturday. Forecasters say conditions in the Gulf are favorable to the strengthening of tropical storms and hurricanes, with warm temperatures and little opposing winds, referred to by forecasters as wind shear. Meanwhile, the Hurricane Center was also issuing updates on the rain and windy conditions that have been affecting South Florida. It's an area of showers and thunderstorms affecting southern Florida and the northwestern Bahamas. These storms are not expected to become a tropical depression, tropical storm or hurricane, but there is a chance they'll continue to bring heavy rain and strong winds in some parts of the area over the next couple of days, the Hurricane Center said.